Hello students, welcome to Apna College Net YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. Students, West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board has announced WBJE 2025 registration, and the registration has just commenced. So in today's video I will talk about the timeline, from which date the registration is open and what is the last date of the registration, what is the registration fees, what is the website, through which website you will be able to register for WBJE 2025, what are the documents required, and many more information will be discussed in today's video. One important thing, WBJE West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2025, this examination is being conducted by West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board, and through this WBJE 2025 rank you will be able to go through WBJE counseling and secure your seat in BTech in the government engineering colleges in West Bengal and also in top private engineering colleges in West Bengal. So appearing in this examination is compulsory if you are interested to pursue your engineering BTech program from top government engineering colleges or private engineering colleges in West Bengal. Regarding WBJE 2025, if you have any query, please feel free to connect with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can also send your query by WhatsApp in the same number. You can write your query in the comment box. If you have clicked in this video and you are new to this channel, you must like and subscribe to Apna College Net YouTube channel, because in this channel we bring you the genuine review and updates on top universities and best colleges in India, and also entrance examination update. Like and share this channel link with your friends and press the bell icon for the new video update and alert. Follow us on our Facebook page Apna College, Instagram page Apna College 1, and also visit our website www.apnacollege.net. Here you will get list of top colleges and best universities in India and also entrance examination update. So let us start today's video on WBJEE 2025 registration process. Let us have a look on the important dates on WBJE 2025 schedule. As we all know that West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2025 will be held on 27th April 2025. On that particular day, there will be two papers. Examination will be conducted. Paper 1, Mathematics, it will be held from 11 am in the morning till afternoon 1 pm, and paper 2 will contain questions from physics and chemistry, and that will be held from 2 pm till 4 pm. Now, the online application for West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2025 with payment of fees will commence from 22nd of January 2025 and it will continue till 23rd February 2025. The online correction window, in case you make any error in the application form, will be open from 25th of February 2025 and will continue till 27th of February 2025. The publication of downloadable admit card will commence from 17th April 2025 for WBJE 2025 and it will continue till 27th April 2025 afternoon 2 pm. The publications for WBJE 2025 will, however, notified later on. Now let us look at the eligibility criteria for West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2025. Candidates who have completed 10+2 examination with science combination, they can appear for WBJE 2025. Even the students appearing in 10+2 with science subjects in 2025 can also appear for WBJE JEE 2025. There is no upper age limit to appear in WB JEE 2025. However, the lower age limit for candidates appearing in WB JEE 2025 is kept at 17 years. So, the candidate must be born on or before 31st December 2008. Now, let me tell you that this payment of examination fees is completely online. Now, for the general category candidates, for the male candidates, the examination charge is 500. For the female candidates, it is 400. And for the general category third gender candidate, the examination fee is 300. But for the candidates who belong to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, A, OBC B, EWS, PWD, and TFW male candidates, the examination fee is 400. For female candidates, it is 300, and for third gender candidates, it is 200. The examination fees should be paid online through debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI, or through QR code. Now, to register for WB JEE 2025 examination, you have to visit the website www.wbjeb.nic.in. The link of this website I have also given in the description box. Now let us discuss the documents required for the form fill-up of WB JEE 2025. You need to have a valid email ID. The user ID and password you should keep with yourself. And also you will require a valid mobile number. This mobile number would be kept with you till the college admissions through entirely WB JEE counseling process. You will also need a scanned copy of photograph, a scanned copy of signature along with your caste certificate, category certificate, income certificate to be scanned in PDF. Please keep your admit cards and mark sheets and government issued ID cards handy. One important point you must note that all the personal details like your name, your father's name, your mother's name, which are to be entered in the WB JEE 2025 application form should be entered very much in a correct way because that could not be edited later on. Now let us look into the WB JEE 2025 examination pattern. All the questions are to be answered on a specially designed optical machine readable response sheet OMR sheet. Candidates will indicate their response to the questions by darkening the appropriate circle or bubble entirely with a blue or black ink ballpoint pen, and this pen will be provided at the center by West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board. Now, the question paper has got three categories of question. Category 1, where each question carries +1 for the right answer and -1/4 for the wrong answer. Category 2 questions carries +2 marks for each right answer and -1/2 for each wrong answer. And category 3, each question carries +2 marks for the right answer and there is no negative mark in category 3. So, in paper 1 mathematics, in category 1 there will be 50 questions, in category 2 there will be 15 questions, and in category 3 there will be 10 questions. All total in mathematics there will be total 75 questions with total marks value of 100. In paper 2 physics section, in category 1 there will be 30 questions, in category 2 there will be 5 questions, and in category 3 there will be 5 questions. All total from physics there will be 40 questions with marks allotted 50. And in the chemistry section there will be 30 questions in category 1, 5 questions in category 2 and 5 questions in category 3. All total there will be 40 questions in chemistry section and 50 marks will be allotted in the chemistry section. The total marks for West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2025 will be 200.
So students, now you have got all the information regarding West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2025. If you have more queries or you are stuck up in the registration process in some step, please feel free to connect with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can also write your query in WhatsApp on the same number. You can also write your query in the comment box. Apna College Net, in this YouTube channel, we bring you the genuine review on the top colleges and universities in India and also the latest update on the different entrance examinations.
So like and subscribe to Apna College Net YouTube channel. Share this channel link with your friends. Press the bell icon for the new video updates and alert. Follow us on our Facebook page, Apna College, Instagram page, Apna College Bar. Visit our website www.apnacollege.net where we have list of top colleges and universities in India and also entrance examination alert. So, see you with a new video only on Apna College Net YouTube channel. All the best.